Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem in Shopify being the canonical tag having issues with your store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you guys can see here, this is what the dashboard looks like, and obviously for the purposes of this video, I just have a dummy store set up. So the idea here is we want to get access to the theme editor for our online store. And to get there, you'd want to click on online store under sales channel. So it's this one right here. But if you guys can find it, you can click on the search bar and type down online store. So either way is really fine, to be honest, but this is the easiest way. If you click on this drop down right here, and you'll be met with 5 different options, being themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. So what will happen when you click on themes is it's going to pull up a list of all of your registered themes for each of your online stores in Shopify. So if you're managing, let's say, 3 stores in Shopify, it would normally be listed here. So you basically want to make your selection, and let's say currently I only have 1, but then again, this is a dummy site. So if you have 3 of them selected right here, you'd want to click on the 3 dots or the ellipses right next to it. So you'll see that there's a drop down saying preview, rename, duplicate, edit code, download theme file, and edit default theme content. So from here, what you guys would want to click on is edit code, like so. And it'll take you to this page right here, which is a bit more complex if you weren't sure what you were doing, as this actually requires some coding knowledge. But by doing so, this will actually and effectively fix the problem. So what we're looking for here is the JSON file or the text file for product.thumbnail.json. So if you can't find it right away by scrolling here or checking the sections, you guys can click on the search files right here. Just type down product. Oh, actually misspelled that. And here we are. We have product thumbnail.liquid. So it's not this one. It's not this one. It's this one. So once you guys are here, let me actually close these other tabs first. Once you guys are here, the idea is you want to look for the text that says within collection. So to actually do it, you would want to hit the shortcut Control F on your keyboard to bring up the finder. So it's this one right here. And if I type down within, it's going to, and click on next, it's going to pull up all of the not text messages, the codes that contain within as a word in it. So if I type within.collection, may not actually show up. That's because I haven't have my store set up, but if you guys like configure your store, it's actually going to automatically write itself, and I'm talking about the code. So let's say that you guys find it, right? You type within and you see it. What you would want to do is simply highlight it and delete it, and this would effectively fix the problem. So if I were to do this or delete the code, that'd be it. Hit save and you guys are done. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.